Good evening, everyone. So today, my name is Nicoloso Benito. I am from computer science, and this is the presentation about our paper and what we have researched. So our paper is about reducing electricity, and my group is group 20. So first off, let me introduce you to my group. My group consists of me and Mario Anadito Widinugroho and Gregorius Henry Wirawan, which unfortunately cannot record as of today because as of the time of recording, Gregorius Henry Wirawan is currently at the hospital and unable to record with us. So I'm going to explain three of the table of content, and the rest will be explained by Mario. So the first one will be background. This project's background is made to reduce the usage of electricity in using air conditioners in everyday life using the Internet of Things. So the problem that we found is based on the data obtained, the average use of AC electricity is 819 watts or 1 pk. Therefore, if it is turned on continuously for a day, it will use a very large amount of electricity, as you can see in the data inside the presentation, where the average AC power consumption is 819 watts, whereas if you use it for the whole day, it will use about 19.656 kilowatt hours. So the next one I'm going to explain to you is the aims and purpose of this project. So what we aim to do is to reduce the use of AC electricity by using a microcontroller that can set the target temperature so that it can turn off the AC if it is detected that it is not needed. So the purpose of this project is obviously to reduce the use of AC electricity significantly. So here's the literature review which we found that there are many studies that have been carried out related to smart homes. Some of them are done in China, which was conducted to reduce emissions caused by air conditioners similar to ours. So we took some parts of their research to complete ours. And then you can read the rest in the PowerPoint below. Okay.
So the method we use in this experiment is by using Arduino Uno and using a temperature sensor and then the R emitter. Then we can manipulate the original AC remote with our own, so that when it reaches the target temperature, the AC will turn off and vice versa. This will be checked every 30 minutes. Thus, when the room temperature often fluctuates, the air conditioner cannot immediately turn on and off continuously, which will make the air conditioner consume more electricity. And in this figure one, it shows that the system architecture will include the Arduino Uno R3 and there's the temperature sensor, and then the infrared module and infrared transmitter module to connect to the AC, and also the infrared receiver module, so we can get the frequency for the remote to use on the AC. And here are the documentation of the prototype that we use. And here are the results. So without using prototype, we measured the general electricity usage in 2 days of AC usage was 20 kilowatt per hour for 2 consecutive days. And with prototype, we measured the general electricity usage of 2 days using the prototype was 19 kilowatt per hour for 2 consecutive days. It is noted that the experiment was carried out while still using other electrical devices such as computers, induction cookers, etc., and measured every day at 9:30 p.m. In this document, we can see that the initial power before using our experiment is 126 kilowatts. And then after we spend our electricity without using the device for 2 days, it became 106. And after this, we use the device and the power went down to 86 kilometers per hour. And here are the state of the art. As you can see in here, we can see the example of the journal that we took for our inspiration and similar result and experiment. There are others. So for the conclusion and future work, the conclusion we can draw is that using our prototype, we can reduce the electricity usage within 2 days. Although by a not very significant amount, for future work, we propose to use more sensors such as motion sensors so as to reduce electricity. And here we can see the result. We are using the device. The total usage is 20 kilowatt hour. And with using our device is 19 kilowatt per hour. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.